Another video. Today I am going to make a logo for a brand, Liana. Copy it with Alter. Okay, so this is the name of the logo, and I use this font, and I hope you guys like this video. Share with your friends and family, and you can download this font on Chrome. You can download it from Chrome. It can easy available, or you can check out dafont.com, dafont.com, and now create outline, and let's choose the color palette. So what we are going to do, I'm going to choose the color of this CMYK cyan, and basically it's the architect logo, so it needs to be very minimal and simple. I'm going to choose this gray. It looks so decent and very good. Now let's choose the logo. So first of all, I take this L and H. Basically, we are going to uh, choose the first letter of our logo and create outline. Now ungroup it, and its alignment start करेंगे, and then go to this direct selection tool and click this dot, and इस तरफ से करेंगे. Okay, and ये भी. Now take this. Okay, so this is our, basically it's our logo, and so now this is our logo. Now we are going to make a looking like a house feel architect. So we are going to take this rectangle tool, simply drag it, and make a window of house. Okay, so let's choose this, and now the window is done, and go to Pathfinder and unite it. And now place it according to your need. Okay, and now we are going to align it with some. Okay, and it's done. Group it, and our logo is done. Now you can choose as per your choice, and now this is our logo. Okay, so okay, and align it, because aligning is very important, and a very, if you guys like my video, then do share and subscribe, and for more presentable, uh, we are going to take this on Photoshop. copy it and go to Photoshop and basically it's a mock-up and you can just present the work very nicely and according to your needs you can just take this little bit and align it as per your choice. It looks so adorable. Check this guys, and we are going to save this and done. Thanks for watching guys. Do share and subscribe.